So today I am going to just be putting on some lashes and then just chatting with you guys, kind of giving you a life update and what's been happening and what's been going on. Just so we're all on the same page, I have these lashes from TJ Maxx and I'm gonna try to cut them up and use them as like clusters. I'm using this adhesive from Wink Click. This is supposed to last you 7 to 10 days. I do want a couple days wear. I don't know if I need a week's wear or not, but we'll see. Also, these aren't the lashes. Like the Wink Click lashes are definitely made for this style. I'm just using pressed like these strips. So we're just gonna try it and see if it'll work. Obviously, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know, but I had my second baby boy. It's just so crazy how different your kids are. But he is definitely different than Elijah. It's just their personalities definitely are already so different. So I am still working. So I am a working mom. And as you guys know from my last video, I'm still breastfeeding. And so it's just been a lot. I just feel very busy. In addition, Logan and I have purchased our little home. And we've been here almost a year now. So we moved while I was pregnant, which is just, it's crazy. And I don't know if I would recommend anyone doing that. But just with the way things happened, we kind of like had to move. That was really hard. Logan pretty much moved all of our stuff by himself. And then obviously after I had the baby, I unpacked boxes. So I just do feel really happy. We're content. And there's just some peace about knowing that you're not going to need to like move. Because when you're renting, you kind of always know like you're going to need to have a next move kind of on the horizon. And obviously with starting our family, we just wanted some stability, and it's been a blessing to be able to offer that to them. So it's been great. It's been really exciting. We just have had a lot going on. And I feel like there's like a lull right now in our life. Well, so far these look nice. Ooh. So far so good. Okay, these are like beautiful. Hold on. These look really good. But bringing me back to YouTube. So I really enjoy doing YouTube. And like, especially when you're a mom, I feel like you kind of like forget what are the things that I like to do? What are the things that I want to do? I really enjoy YouTube, and I enjoy editing. I enjoy chatting with you guys. I enjoy all of it. I kind of just wanted to get back to it when I felt ready. It was a really big conflict in my head if I should continue to do it or not. Just because at my peak of YouTube, things are a lot different than then. So I wasn't sure if I really could like even do it. And I just know as I've been like chatting with you guys on social media and stuff, you know, we're all kind of like just moving along in life. So I thought I could just share the new things about me. I'm now a mom of 2. I am still breastfeeding. I'm a working mom. I no longer have my small business, but I do still have curly hair. I still do my hair, you know, when I can. So a lot of things are just different. So I thought, you know what, we can just kind of do a revamp. Why don't I just share my life now? So please let me know if there's anything you'd like to see from me. I do have a review video that's coming because there's just a product that I used recently that I have been in love with, and I'm like, this needs its own video. We're just burning through this product. Oh, time's up. I gotta go. I can hear the little one running. I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'm making a video for YouTube.
Making my video on YouTube?
You see yourself? No, you can't see yourself.
Hey, I gotta pick me up.
I see the top of your head. You want me to pick you up so you can see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey,